How to add motion graphic designs in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add motion graphics. Next, go to the Edit workspace and import your motion graphic files. These can be video files with transparent backgrounds like MOV or MP4 files or animated SVG file. After importing, drag your motion graphic clip onto the timeline above your main footage. Position it where you want the animation to appear. Then, use the inspector panel to adjust the size, position, and rotation of the motion graphic to fit your scene perfectly. You can also keyframe these properties to create custom movement or effects. If you want to create your own motion graphic inside DaVinci Resolve, switch to the Fusion tab. Here you can design animated text, shapes, and effects using nodes, giving you full control over your motion design. Once your design is ready, go back to the edit page and fine-tune the timing by trimming or extending your clip. You can also add transitions or color grading to blend the motion graphic with your footage seamlessly. Finally, when everything looks good, export your project using the Deliver page to save your video with motion graphics embed. And that's it. Now you know how to add motion graphics design in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.